Dialogue 1 doing laundry at home.
Hey, Jake, do you know how to use this washing machine?
Yeah, sure, it's not too hard. Are you washing your clothes now?
Yes, I need clean clothes for tomorrow. I've never used this one before.
No problem. First, open the door and put your clothes inside.
Should I wash everything together?
It's better to separate your clothes. Whites go in one load and colors in another.
Okay, I'll take out the white shirts. Thanks.
Now, do you have detergent?
Yes, I bought some yesterday.
Great. Put 1 scoop or 1 cup in the drawer here.
Got it done.
Good. Now close the door.
Should I choose a setting?
Yeah. For normal clothes, just use the quick wash setting.
How long does that take?
About 30 minutes.
Okay, and then I press start.
Yep. Just press that button.
Done. It's working.
Nice. Don't forget to check the pockets next time before washing.
Oh no, I think I left a tissue in my jeans.
It happens to all of us. You'll be a pro in no time. 3 vocabulary words. Laundry video. Detergent means soap used to wash clothes. Fitting means choosing the right setting for washing. Quick wash, delicate. Load means a group of clothes you wash at one time. Dialogue. 2. Grocery shopping. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
I'm looking for milk.
The milk is in the back, near the eggs and butter.
Thanks. And where can I find fresh fruits?
All the fruits are in aisle 3.
Do you have bananas and apples?
Yes, we have bananas, apples, oranges, and grapes today.
Perfect. I'll grab a few. Do you sell vegetables too?
Yes, fresh vegetables are in the next aisle.
Great. I need some tomatoes and onions.
You'll find those in aisle 4 next to the lettuce.
Thank you. Oh, one more thing. Where's the bread?
The bread is at the front of the store near the cashier.
And do you sell eggs here?
Yes, they're with the dairy products right beside the milk.
Awesome. This is my first time shopping alone.
You're doing great. Just let me know if you need help again.
Thank you, I will. You've been really helpful.
Anytime. Enjoy your shopping.
3 vocabulary words. Grocery, video. Aisle means a row in a store where products are placed. Grab means casual word for take or pick up. Cashier is the person who handles payments at the store. Dialogue 3 talking about phone battery. My phone battery dies so fast. I charge it in the morning, and by afternoon, it's almost dead.
Same here. I charged mine last night, and now it's already at 20%.
Do you use battery saver mode?
No, not really. What does it do?
It helps your phone last longer. It stops background apps and reduces brightness.
That sounds useful. Where can I find it?
Go to Settings, then tap on Battery. You'll see Battery Saver.
Got it. I'll turn it on now.
Also, close apps you're not using.
Good idea. I always forget to do that.
Me too. But when I close apps and use low brightness, the battery lasts longer.
Maybe I also use too many social media apps.
Yeah, Instagram and TikTok use a lot of battery.
What about charging? Should I charge overnight?
Some people do, but it's better to unplug it once it's full.
I'll try to change that habit.
Or maybe it's time for a new battery.
Don't say that. Phones are expensive.
True. Try these. Tips first. Maybe they'll help.
Thanks, Alex. I feel like I learned something today.
No problem. Now let's see how long your battery lasts tomorrow. 3 vocabulary words. Phone video. Battery. Saver, a phone setting that helps save power. Brightness, the light level on your phone screen. Background apps, apps running even when you're not using them. Learning real English from real life, like comment your favorite dialogue and hit subscribe for more everyday English. New videos every week, simple, clear, and made for you.